Togg T10X, more than a car. The Togg T10X is more than a car, with solutions that are naturally electric, connected and make your life easier. The Togg T10X is a fully electric C-segment SUV produced by the Turkish car manufacturer Togg, Turkey's automobile initiative group. Togg started manufacturing the T10X from October 2022, which is the first model of 5 electric cars that are planned to be produced by 2030. Pre-sales started in March 2023, with delivery slated for July 2023. The T10X is presented by the Turkish car manufacturer Togg on December 27, 2019. During a public event in Bilişim Vadisi, Silicon Valley of Turkey, in the province of Kocaeli, where the prototype of a compact sedan, C-Sedan, is also presented in the same event. Production of the T10X began on October 29, 2022, the day of the inauguration of the Gemlik plant, where the first Togg vehicle, an Anadolu Red T10X, comes assembled from the assembly line. The sale of the T10X started in March 2023 in Turkey, and it will be available in the European market towards the end of 2024. The automotive industry in Turkey has previously produced cars domestically, for example the first ever Turkish car manufacturer Devrim, and also the Anadolu brand. Togg, that stands for Türkiye'nin Otomobili Girişim Grubu, Turkey's automobile joint venture group incorporated, was founded as a joint venture by 5 Turkish companies in 2018. The vehicle was designed by Italian firm Pininfarina, with a contribution from Turkish designer Mira Gunak, based on Togg's requirements, including a tulip motif. There is a Western and an Oriental variant. The T10X is offered in 2 powertrain configurations, namely an electric motor on the rear axle providing rear-wheel drive, RWD, or dual electric motors on the front and rear axles offering all-wheel drive, AWD. The rear-wheel drive, RWD, configuration with an electric motor delivers 160 kilowatts, 215 horsepower, and 350 Nm of torque, enabling 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.6 seconds. For its part, the configuration in all-wheel drive, AWD, with 2 electric motors develops a power of 320 kilowatts, 430 horsepower, and 700 Nm of torque, allowing to perform the 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.8 seconds.